You know, I just gotta say something, and this is probably not the best way to start a video and whatnot, but people overcomplicate the funnel building process, building out their landing pages to acquire leads. It's overcomplicated, it is overly expensive than what it really should be, right? That's not how it should be at all. And that's why I'm dropping this video, right? The intention of making this video has nothing to do with not using funnels. I'm not saying that using funnels is what's wrong. What's wrong is paying $100 every single month. That's ludicrous. So that's why I'm dropping this video. Today I am presenting something to you, a little tidbit of information that a lot of people are probably hiding somewhere, scrolling away. There is this magic place called phone sites. I've been a part of phone sites for a little while now. It has converted like crazy, seriously. So phone sites is a revolutionary website where you can literally build landing pages from your own phone. From a computer too. It really, the device that you choose to build the landing pages from doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. The cool thing about phone sites itself is that it only costs $50 a month. And they have a 7-day trial where you can try it for 7 days. If you don't like it, then you don't like it. And you know, I think the best thing about phone sites is how lightweight it is, right? How lightweight the landing pages are, how easy it is to convert traffic into leads. Because you know, I'm not gonna really mention too many names here, but with Clickfunnels, okay? With Clickfunnels, you have a lot of different elements that you can add to your landing pages, different types of tracking, you know, all these, you know, what I'd consider functions and eye candy, and it's so heavy. It's not lightweight. It's very hard to convert a user when it takes gosh knows how many seconds to load a landing page. And then you add your own images into that. And then you add your own elements into it. Then you add a tracking pixel, and then before you know it, it takes so long to load your landing page, nobody converts. Okay, and that is a very big problem in this industry. With phone sites, the landing pages are super quick, super snappy, super speedy, and optimized for mobile devices. So do you want to be with a platform that takes very long to load, doesn't convert very well, costs $100 a month, and you know, when you're starting out, that is a lot of money. That's a lot of money. What I'm spewing out right now it sounds like bullshit, and I understand, right? But the proof is in the pudding. That being said, let's go to my computer, let me show you my funnel, let me show you the results that I've been getting, and let me give you a link for a 7-day free trial. So let's do this, let's get into it. What is up, you guys? Here I am in my computer, just giving you a little bit of a preview of my Facebook campaign, my funnel, as well as how to create a funnel for yourself using phone sites, which is a very simple process, but I guess we can kind of get into things. So looking at the campaign, you see that it has about 102 link clicks for $102 spend. That's $1 a click, but that is only accounting for people who click into the ad itself, not people who click into the bit.ly link. So the numbers displayed here will be significantly different than what is displayed in the ads manager. Bottom line, a trucking company approached me and said, hey, listen, John, you know, we know that you've done a lot of successful work for our colleague, and we want you to run one of our campaigns because there's an influx of trucking jobs available. Unfortunately, there aren't enough drivers to fill these positions. And I'm not sure if you're familiar with trucking or whatnot. I don't expect you to be, but it is a very competitive industry, cutthroat, truly. And I did block out my client's name over here just for his own privacy because I do manage my client's accounts. I don't really run ad spend through my own ad accounts. That's just frivolous and tedious. We spent $100 so far in the lifetime of this ad set campaign, and we have gotten crazy amounts of leads. About 30 leads, 30 separate employment leads. In my own thought, I don't think I'd be able to convert as many people with Clickfunnels as I did with phone sites, and that is because phone sites is unique, because it loads so quick. It's very lightweight. As I mentioned before, it is an extremely intuitive platform. It's so easy to perform split tests. It's so easy to implement pixel tracking. It is so easy to use, period. I can show you my statistics. I could show you my ad spend. I could show you all these different things, right? I could go through all my clients and tell you the results that I'm getting them, but what I really want to show you is why Phone Sites is better than Clickfunnels. So this is one of my landing pages on Phone Sites. It's very dynamic, extremely lightweight. As you can see, very snappy. I believe the website actually loads. I believe the website loads extremely quick. And as you can see, that is an extremely quick website, faster than 92% of tested websites, with a load time of 832 milliseconds and a page size of less than 500 kilobytes. That is absolutely unheard of. You know, that being said, let's see if we can build a landing page here. I'm going to name the landing page test landing page phone sites. All right, and we're going to call it test lander. There we go. And it is so absolutely easy to create a dynamic website with Phone Sites. I mean, look at this. They already give you a template. They already give you a page to preview. And the cool thing about Phone Sites itself is you can preview your landing page live. You know, whereas if you're working with other landing page creators, you might have to refresh your cache and you might have to delete your browsing data in order to preview the changes that you've applied to your landing page. But no, with Phone Sites, it's different. It is very different. Test lander headline, and it updates it immediately. You're able to see exactly what's going on, exactly what it's going to look like ultimately. And it really comes down to how simple it is to build a lander. Literally extremely simple. You can put this in the middle, make it a medium size, and boom, there you go. Look at this. I'm building a landing page. That's so easy. Here we go. Let's change the headline to American Solar Supply. There we go. That sounds pretty official. And as a sub headline, we'll enter learn how to obtain your own solar panels for free. Very simple headline, very simple, and I'll keep it the same color. And look at this, we're already building a landing page. And I think the really cool part about Phone Sites is their implementation. You could implement your own tracking code, okay? So if you decide to run Facebook ads and you decide that you take on a client or you're running an affiliate, whatever you may be doing, if you want to add your own tracking code to your landing page, you can do that. If you want to add your own domain into your landing page, you can do that, right? You don't have to use their phonesites.com subdomain. You don't have to use any of this. Literally, there is just so much you can do with Phone Sites. But the results truly speak for themselves. And the proof is truly in the pudding. Bottom line, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very insightful and whatnot. Definitely make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment. If this is posted on Facebook, which I'm sure I'm going to be posting this on Facebook as well, make sure to drop a like, a reaction, and leave a very nice comment if you can. And bottom line, I can't wait to see you in my next video.